Manifestation is not about attracting. It's not about asking. It's not about wanting. Those ideas were created for people who don't remember who they are. You don't manifest, you choose. Because when you're rooted in identity, reality doesn't give you what you want. It mirrors what you are. You're not negotiating with the universe. You're not requesting permission from reality. You are setting the template that reality aligns to. And trying to manifest and step into the identity that chooses. Wanting something places outside of you, it creates a gap, a reach, a chase. When you want, you tell the universe you're separate from it. Your reality hears separation and reflects separation. Desire is not wrong, it is simply the first stage. The moment you shift from I want it to this is who I am now, the distance collapses. Hesitation ends, identity begins. Choosing is not mental, it is physical. Your nervous system has to believe that having what you want is normal, not overwhelming, not miraculous, not lucky, normal. Choosing means your body recognizes the reality as familiar. The universe is not responding to your affirmations, it is responding to your baseline. Your identity is the blueprint your reality builds itself around. If your identity is, I hope I receive, you will wait. If your identity is, I choose what aligns and release what doesn't, your reality becomes responsive. The world shifts the moment your internal state becomes the authority instead of the world. Choosing is not force, it is direction. You move differently, you speak differently, you make decisions differently, not to prove anything, but because the old options are no longer available to you. When you choose yourself, the world adjusts. You were never learning to manifest. You were remembering how to recognize yourself as the one reality responds to. That's why you don't attract, you allow. You don't chase, you recognize. You don't hope, you decide. The universe is not outside of you, it is mirroring you. And when your identity is chosen, the world has no choice but to follow. You don't manifest, you choose, and reality rearranges.